Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Isabel Cooking. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy tuna pasta. So guys, here's the ingredients. Okay, let's start cooking and sauteing. Heat up some olive oil. And add a 2 tablespoons of 1 tablespoon, sorry guys, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. And yes, next the onion. It's about a half cup of chopped onion. And we fry it for about 5 minutes. Hanggang lumabas guys yung kanyang essential oil. Kumbaga yung aroma, di ba? Okay guys, let us now add the tuna. It's about a cup of canned tuna. We just mix and saute. Saute our tuna so that the taste of sauteing garlic and onion will be incorporated. Ang bango. It smells so good. And yes guys, let us add a cup of tomato sauce. Pwede rin yung tomato puree. Kung wala tayong tomato sauce, pwede rin tomato puree. And yes, season with salt and pepper and 1 chicken cube. Optional lang guys. And a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Guys, just mix it. So guys, this is boiling already. Nakikita nyo yan, umiibabaw na yung kanyang oil sa sauce. Yan. So let us now add capsicum cut into strips, red and green, Yes guys, a tablespoon of brown sugar, optional. Yes. So let us now boil this pasta. Yes, it's done. So yes guys, let us add this cooked pasta. Let us mix this para evenly yung ating sauce sa ating pasta. And yes guys, we're gonna add in a handful of chopped freshly parsley. Yes guys, it's almost done. It smells so good. Yes guys, look at this. And yes, sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. And yes guys, ready to plating. Lalagyan na natin siya sa serving plate. Wow, ang sarap. So very simple guys, it's very simple and very few ingredients, so it's ready to serve. Look at that, it's yummy. Yes, and syempre dagdagan natin yung ating cheddar cheese. So guys, if you like our recipe video for today, please click the like button, kindly click the subscribe button as well, and after you subscribe, kindly click the notification bell inside it as well and set it to all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new recipe video. Thank you, stay safe everyone, and God bless. Bye, I'll see you on my next video. Okay guys, please share and comment. Okay, bye bye guys, and thank you sa lahat ng support nyo sa akin. Oh yes guys, thank you so much talaga. Bye bye.